Hello everyone, welcome to Sans Garage. Today we are going to see the history of miniature cars. I'm posting this video as requested by one of our subscribers, Mr. Shivaram. Here I'm posting only the brief history of miniature models. A model vehicle or toy vehicle is a miniature representation of an automobile. They were originally aimed at children as playthings. There is no precise difference between a model car and a toy car. Yet the word model implies either assembly required or the accurate rendering of an accurate vehicle at a smaller scale. The kit building hobby became popular through the 1950s, while the collecting of miniatures by adults started to pick up momentum around 1970. Precision detailed miniatures made specifically for adults are a significant part of the market since the mid 1980s. These were toys and replicas often made of lead and brass. Later models made in the early 20th century were slush cast plaster or iron. The scales of toys and model cars vary according to the historical precedent, market demand, and the need for detail. The average length of 1x87 miniature is about 1 to 2 inches. The average length of 1x43 is about 4 inches long. The average length of 1x60 scale is about 3 inches. The 1x25 measures about 6 to 7 inches. The 1x18 is about 9 inches long. The larger 1x12 scale are occasionally seen and more rarely 1x10. Let's see some of the well-known die-cast manufacturing companies. Corgi Toys, Dinky Toys, Matchbox, Spartan, all these from the United Kingdom. Solido, Noro, Majorato, all these were from France. Scoopcom model, Gamma, Shiku, these were from West Germany. Techno from Denmark, Mercury, Polysteel, Mibidois, all these from Italy. When it comes to the prices of die-cast car models, they can vary massively according to the year they were made, the materials used for their manufacture, and their rarity. Below you can find 10 of the most expensive die-cast car models ever made. The car is futuristic and made out of fiberglass with a see-through plexiglass bubble top. Originally, the model car was designed in 1963. The line came out in different colors, but the rarest of them all was the hot pink car, which was made to get girls interested into toy cars as well. But it didn't work out well. So at least not with the girls. It works right now with the collectors all around the world, since this rare model is one of the most sought after die-cast car and its value is $15,000. The Classic Model Cars USA company has captured all the tiny impressive details from the real 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO car and excellently reshaped them at a 1x18 scale. The exceptional clarity of the windows, the wipers with multiple parts and rubber blades, the super thin sliding side windows, the interior with its leather harness, real cloth seat and metal roll cage, detailed steering wheel and instrument, plus all the lovely details from the engine, the suspension and transmission system make this die-cast Ferrari a model to be adorned by many. The cost of the Ferrari 250 GTO is above $18,000. The only one in existence nowadays, as far as anyone knows, the Dinky Pre-War number 22D delivery van is a very special item among collectors. Dinky began its existence in 1934 and sold the cars as accessories for the railway kits. This particular model was sold at an auction for a little over $26,000. Each model of the Rolls-Royce Cullinan has been hand-assembled from over 1,200 individually crafted components to meet the highest possible standards. From the engine compartment to the thread of the tires, each motor car is a true expression of the effortless, timeless luxury in extraordinary miniature. This includes fully functioning exterior and interior lights, opening and closing coach doors, luggage compartment, and finished interior. The cost of the Rolls-Royce Cullinan is $40,000. In 1970, the Japanese company Takara Tomy created Tomiko, a line of model cars. For their 40th anniversary, they hired celebrity jeweler to create something truly special. A platinum replica of the Tomiko Nissan Fairlady Z432. It's handmade and it took the designer 1 month to create it. This exclusive car cost $80,000. This Hot Wheels Volkswagen Beachcomb is a prototype. The fact that makes it special is the surfboards that are hanging out of the back window of the car. The prototype is dated to 1969. These cars were made in rose color with a black interior. The size of the model is also rare because it's unusually large, which worth $125,000. To celebrate their 40th anniversary, Hot Wheels hired celebrity jeweler to cover a custom auto car model with 1388 blue diamonds, 988 black diamonds, 319 white diamonds and 8 rubies and 18 karat white gold. The result, after over 600 hours of painstaking attention to the tiniest of details, it is worth around $140. Crafted by respected luxury designers out of 24 karat gold and platinum and encrusted with 7.2 karat single cut flawless diamond, this tiny Bugatti Veyron took 2 months to complete. It's available in limited edition since only 3-piece gold bar on wheels were created. The cost of the 24 karat gold Bugatti Veyron is $2.9 million. A 1/8 scale Lamborghini Aventador that's a replica of the real car both inside and out. The model car is a combination of the most expensive materials you could find. The body is made from carbon with an ultra-thin thread of gold wrapping its fibers. The wheels were a mix of gold and platinum and the seats are bedecked with precious stones. The headlights are crafted from clear diamonds and the rear lights are colored precious stones. The cost of the Lamborghini Aventador is $6 million. The last model on our list is the Lamborghini Aventador Gold Edition. The Lambo is made with incredible detail. What makes this Lambo even better is the fact that the car is wrapped in gold. The real thing cost around $400,000, but this baby is worth $7.5 million, which makes this car the most expensive car model in the world.